From the greeting you get when you walk in the door to figuring out what your bill's going to be, all those things in the process of choosing a dentist, we're going to find out all those things here inside Dr. Dennis Meyer's office, starting right now. Hi, I'm Nathan.
Hi Nathan, I'm Joyce. Welcome to our practice.
Thank you very much, Joyce. Very inviting place. Tell us about it.
Oh, well, thank you. We try to be. We're kind of a family-oriented practice. There's some of us that are actually mother-daughter teams here. But I am the one that usually welcomes you. I'm the one that answers the phone most of the time. And we just like to make you feel comfortable when you first come in and each visit after that.
Absolutely. Joyce is the one that you're going to talk to, whether it's on the phone or when you walk in here. So this is our starting point. Let's go see what else is going on. All right, we're talking to Susan now about dry mouth and how people can be on different medicines that cause that. How do you figure that out? What do you do to help people with that?
Well, what happens is we're finding that these people are on specific medications or a lot of medications that decrease salivary flow. And what happens is saliva is Mother Nature's pH balancer in the mouth, and when you don't have that normal flow of saliva, the mouth gets dry and you see an increase in cavities. So we intervene with different products. We use a fluoride varnish here in the office. We also prescribe different fluorides, fluoride trays for the patients to take home, and we try to balance the pH back in the mouth to normal, to where they're not getting the rampant cavities that we're seeing.
All right, great information, Susan. Thank you very much. Well, sometimes dental emergencies will happen in the middle of the night and you still need help. That's what makes it an emergency. Kristen's here to tell us how you guys handle that here in the office.
We do have an after-hours number for all of our patients, and all you have to do is call. You'll get an on-staff member, most of the time me, and I can call the doctor and he can advise treatment. We can set up appointments. Or even phone in prescriptions for patients of record.
Well, everyone wants to have a good smile. Angela's telling us a little bit about some of the different things you can do for the appearance here. Tell us about that.
Yes, not only do we offer whitening, but we also offer cosmetic reshaping. And sometimes braces are an option, especially for older people, and they just want to have straighter looking teeth. And you can come in with one appointment and have your teeth reshaped without any anesthetic. It's painless and it works.
Sounds interesting and simple enough to work. If you want to find out more about that, just give Angela a call here at Dr. Meyer's office. Well, one of the questions you're always going to have is, how am I going to pay for this? We're going to ask Kim that. How does that work when they come in here? How do they figure out how they're going to pay for their dental visit?
Well, all of our patients kind of go through the process of coming through the door, getting their treatment done, coming in and wondering, what's it going to cost me? And what I like to do is, anybody with insurance, we always try to find out what their benefits are before they come in. And then that way we sit down with them and we can go over. You can't imagine, Nathan, how many people have no clue what their insurance covers. So I like to go over their dental plan with them. I like to give them a copy of what's covered so that they have that, group numbers and what their percentages are and what they've got to spend. So, and then we kind of coordinate that with their treatment so that we make sure we get the most from the insurance and the less from the patient.
And you also have some payment plans that you're able to help people with. How does that work?
We do. We use Care Credit. It's a #1 national third-party insurer type thing that they can. It's a credit card, but it is interest-free. I tell my patients it's like a Nebraska Furniture Mart card.
Oh.
If they want to do their treatment and pay it off over a year's time interest-free, that's the avenue we need to go with, and we can help them get connected on the phone, online, or right here in the office. We can apply for them. So.
All sounds simple enough. If you have any questions about how that works, Kim's the person that's going to take care of you with all of that. Thank you very much.
Thank
Very
you.
helpful information.
Thank you.
Well, we've learned a little bit about what sets this office apart. Now we're going to talk to you here, Dr. Myers, and hear from you. I mean, we've seen your staff. We've heard a little bit about the different services and things you offer. What do you think? What are you most proud of here in your office and what you guys do?
Well, I kind of hope that's self-explanatory. You've just visited with ladies that work here, and they have a variety of experience from 5 years to well over 25 years. I hope that people can get the idea how caring these people are and how much they really believe that we're here to help people. Because people that go to the dental office, we're very experienced, we are very modern, we keep up with the modern things, but what's important is to establish relationship and trust with the patient so that they can comfortably have the dentistry done that they need.
Well, and you do have new patients. Let's talk a little bit about that. There are a lot of people that went to Dr. Eckerling here in St. Joseph, and those patients are now coming here. How do you let people know what it is you do and how that they'll be comfortable here in your office.
Well, it's very important because those patients in particular had a very special bond with Dr. Eckerling, and a wonderful man, and he and his wife. But now that it's time for them to change, we want to make sure that they know that we listen to them and we hear their concerns, and that we're able to comfortably provide for them in the same way, hopefully, that Dr. Eckerling did.
And we know time is an important thing for people, and you guys really focus on efficiency around here. Tell us why that's so important.
Really important because you know what? Nobody wants to spend any more time in a dental chair than they have to. And so we really take pride in our efficiency, and that the patient is made comfortable, and so therefore the appointments can go very, very efficiently.
All right, thank you very much, Dr. Myers. And if you'd like to find out more about Dr. Myers and what they do here, we'll put the information up on the screen. You can give them a call, check out their website. They're also on our website, stjoechannel.com. Just take a look under experts for that, and you can give them a call today.